This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Janet Madrano. Are you looking for a place where you can put your toys? This is the perfect house, fenced with plenty of space for your boat, jet skis, four-wheelers, you name it. Comes with a carport/workshop. This beautiful home features 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with endless options to expand and make it your own. This home has been kept extremely well throughout the years. Most recently added new rain gutters, new microwave and a new electric water heater. This home has many large natural trees that give off much shade. This home is close to main roads and highways. No HOA and no CDD. Must request showing and wait for confirmation. This home is not vacant. For more information, review the details below.